Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your grade 5 social studies teacher, beta. Right, today's date, beta 16 1 2021. We are doing block 22 rights and duties. Our topic today is our duties. I have explained you what is the meaning of our duties. See here, duties are things we must do. I have explained you. Let us read from our reader now what are our duties. Take out page number 137, beta. See here, you can see that children have the right to get education from earlier age. Page number 137, you have our duties. Keep your fingers where I am reading. A duty is something we must do. The fundamental duties of every Indian are as following. Everyone have certain duties, children, you need to follow it. We must respect our national flag, national anthem and national symbol, beta. This is our first duty. Next duty, we must obey the constitution. Constitution means our law, beta. We must stay united in the country, means you all should stay together. We must protect our country in time of war. You should be always ready to protect our country from war. Next, we must remember the people who fought for our country, means our freedom fighters. We must respect and love one another, even if we belongs to different religion or region. You need to love everyone, children. We must respect girl and women. Next, we must protect wildlife and our environment. Respect your mother and other girls. Next, you need to protect our wildlife, children. Wildlife means animals and our environment, our surroundings. We must protect public transport and historical buildings from any damage. Historical building means, for example, our Charminar. Don't damage it, children. You need to protect it for our future. Next one. If we only had rights and no duties, then we would have done what we felt like doing without thinking how it would affect others. Children, if we have only duties, only rights, is it possible? No, children. We should have both rights and duties. For example, if we are free to play a loud music, it is our duty to make sure that we does not disturb anyone with the loud music. Children, here what rights are telling, beta? You have right to do anything, but don't harm others. Okay, next one. If we are free to worship any god, we cannot stop others from worshipping different gods. If you have right to pray any god, don't go and disturb others. Okay, they will follow their own rights. This is our duty. Rights and duties go together. Both rights and duties will go together. Next one, beta. Workbook, page number 31. Write today's date, beta, 16/1/2021. S2, our duties. Fill in the table with your partner's help. Children, now we are not in school. You don't have your partners. Means you don't have your friends. Here, these 3 columns you need to fill by your own self. Now see, by yourself. First one, 6 duties that you have to do at home. 6 duties what you will do at your home. 6 duties that you have to do in school. 3 duties that you have to do for your country. You write your own answers. Children, I am showing you example here. You can write whatever you think is good for you. No need of copying same, children. You can write different points also. Okay. First point I am showing you just example. You can write your own points. First column, 6 duties that you have to do at home. I have to water the plants, keep my room clean, clean the table after meal, respect my grandparents. If you want to write any other points, you write. Duties at home. 6 duties that you have to do in school. 6 duties what you'll do in school. You can write any other point. I have written like this. I have to come to school on time. Listen to others in class. Do my homework. Wear the school uniform. Next, 3 duties that you have to do for the country. First one he have written, remaining 2 you should write. I have to stand whenever we hear or sing our national anthem, children. This is for our country, it is our duty, children. You need to do this. Respect our national anthem. I have to respect the national flag. Next, I have to love my country people. Okay. Next one, beta. Page number 32. See ya. Read and answer the question. Maya keeps her house clean. She sweeps her house, collects the garbage and throws it on the road. Is she doing the right thing? If not, what should she do? She's not doing right thing, children. She's cleaning her house and throwing the garbage dust on the road. No, it is not the right thing. She should use the dustbin and throw the garbage in it. Next one, beta. Dharmesh is always in a hurry to reach his office. He breaks traffic rule to reach on time. Is he doing the right thing? If not, what should he do? He's not doing right thing. No, beta, he's breaking the traffic rule. What he should do? No, he is not doing the right thing. He should not break the traffic rule. He can start early to reach his office on time. Next one, last one. Why should we do our duties? It is important to do our duties because they help us to become good people. Hope you all understood, beta. Complete this one. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.